Hello students, so we have come up with our next topic, that is charging by induction. We have already gone through charging by friction. Now it is about charging by induction. This is the second method by which you can charge any object. So what is it? Let's understand it. Charging by induction. Okay. First of all, this method does not require any physical contact, which is very important. So this method does not require any physical contact. Okay, so let's see how it works. Suppose you have got a metallic sphere. Suppose this is your metallic sphere. Okay, and it has been placed on an insulated stand. And suppose this is your stand, which is insulated, which is made up of insulated. Okay, so you have got a metallic sphere and you have placed it on an insulated stand so that it does not get charged in any manner. Okay, and so that if at all charges come on the sphere, the charges will reside on the sphere itself. Now you have got a glass rod. Suppose you have got a glass rod and the glass rod is positively charged. Suppose it is positively charged. Okay, so initially the sphere is neutral. Initially the sphere is neutral. Okay, now you are bringing the rod towards the sphere. What happens is, when you bring the rod towards the sphere, you have free electrons in the sphere. It's metal, so metal has got free electrons. So the free electrons in the sphere are attracted toward this glass rod, charged glass rod. But the free electrons cannot escape this sphere. So what happens is, the electrons all will move and start accumulating on this side. And here there will be a deficiency of electrons. So because there is a deficiency of electrons, it will appear as if it possesses positive charges. Okay, now what happens is, you have more attraction between these two and less repulsion between glass rod charges and the other side of the